Hey guys, it's your girl Nancy, and I'm back with a brand new Hallyu content. Join me as I attend a Korean cooking class. I was invited by the Korean Cultural Center, and best believe anywhere there's Korean food, Nancy will always be present. Let's go say hi to the girls.
Sharon, get off my vlog.
The cooking class was held at the Red Chronicles here in Abuja. Let me expose myself now. I stole a lot of carrots. Look at me looking all pretty, ready to cook, and I was just taking carrots and chewing people's carrots, whichever. But introducing Jamila. Yay! I love to partner with Jamila because Jamila loves to cook. She finds joy in cooking. I don't, so I like to assist her because I just want to eat. We haven't even started, and that's carrot already in my mouth. Carrot number two. Wait for it. Carrot number three. I just kept going. I have lost count, but that's another carrot going into my mouth. This looks and tastes so good. So good.
So, I want to use it, but no, that's still good. Use it. It's so good. I'm sorry.